Emirates 3 Papa Golf, 105 right, clear to land 090 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear to land from 05 right, Emirates 3 Papa Golf.
2 kilo, hold short, runway 05 left, contact tower, 118.625.
Short 05 left, 118.625, shuttle 2 kilo. Hello, this is 18105, base final 05 right.
Oman Air 105, now continue approach with 080 degrees, 7 knots.
To the approach 10105.
Emirates 3 Papa volume set. Radio left. Emirates 3 Papa Golf flight on Victor. Taxi holding point Delta Zulu 1, hold short left.
Right, and Victor, Delta Zulu 1, hold short, round 05 left, Emirates,
Just confirm that holding point Delta Zulu 1.
holding point Delta Zulu 1, Emirates 3 Papa Golf.
Oman Air 1, 05 right, clear to land 080 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear to land 05 right, 10105.
Emirates 3 Papa Golf, 118.625. Oman Air 105, taxi holding point Delta Zulu 1, hold short, runway 05 left.
Delta Zulu 1, hold short 05 left, 10105.
Qatar 05 right, clear to land 080, 5 knots.
05 right, clear to land, Qatari 023.
Falling the Golf, hold short, runway 05 left, contact tower 118.625. Hold short, left, 118.625, church, pretty cool. Qatar 023, taxi holding point Delta Zulu 1, 05 left.
Roger, Delta Zulu 1 to hold short 05 left, sorry, 023. That's our good day, Jersey 1 Charlie Romeo 60, fully established on the island 05 right at 60.
Jersey 1 Charlie Romeo, Manchester Tower, Roger 05 right, clear to land 07 knots.
Land runway 05 right, Jersey 1 Charlie Romeo.